Hello student, once again welcome to online teaching by UP Singh. Student, in the previous video we have already studied some problem related to exponents. But once again we will study some different problem from the same topic, exponents. So let us see here what are some different question. Here student, I have taken first question in front of you. So let us see. Prove that 1 by 1 plus x to the power a minus b plus 1 by 1 plus x to the power b minus a is equal to 1. This is the question. Now let us start its solution. Here student, this can be written 1 by 1 plus x to the power a divided by x to the power b by the exponents rule. We know that here, look at here, x to the power m divided by x to the power n can be written is equal to m minus n. So in reverse form this can be written in this form. Here x to the power a minus b, so this is written in this way. Understood? Next, plus 1 by 1 plus x to the power b divided by x to the power a. Here x to the power b minus a, therefore this can be written in this form. Okay, now let us see in next step. 1 by, here I have taken LCM x to the power b. Look at here, x to the power b, I have taken here LCM x to the power b. This x to the power b is LCM here. Then this will be x to the power b plus x to the power a plus 1 by again LCM will be here x to the power a. Look at here, x to the power a is the LCM. So this can be written x to the power a plus x to the power b, and here is double division, so this can be written in this way. Look at here, 1 by x to the power a plus x to the power b multiply x to the power b by 1, and this can be written plus 1 by x to the power a plus x to the power b multiply x to the power a by 1. In next step, look at here, x to the power b divided by x to the power a plus x to the power b. Here x to the power b into 1, this will be x to the power b, and here x to the power a plus x to the power b multiply 1, this will be as usual x to the power a plus x to the power b plus here x to the power a divided by x to the power a plus x to the power b. Look at here, x to the power a multiply by 1 will be no different, this will be as usual x to the power a, x to the power a plus x to the power b multiply 1, there will be no any different, x to the power a plus x to the power b. Again here student, I have taken once again LCM. Here the both डिनोमिनेटर आर सेम. देखिए आप, बोथ डिनोमिनेटर सेम है, इसलिए इन दोनों के बदले एक एलसीएम के रूप में लिखाएगा एक्स टू द पावर ए प्लस एक्स टू द पावर बी. अंडरस्टूड? एलसीएम एक्स टू द पावर ए प्लस एक्स टू द पावर बी दोनों के लिए सेम है, इसीलिए होगा एक्स टू द पावर ए प्लस एक्स टू द पावर बी. इसमें इसको डिवाइड करेंगे तो 1 आ जाएगा। 1 इंटू एक्स टू द पावर बी मल्टीप्लाई करने पर हो जाएगा एक्स टू द पावर बी, प्लस इससे जब डिवाइड करेंगे तो ये होगा एक्स टू द पावर ए, एक्स टू द पावर ए इज इक्वल टू, हियर both will be cancelled because here both are same, so result is here 1 and this is proved. Another, here the similar question of the above, so this will be your homework. Look at here, 1 by 1 plus x to the power b minus a plus x to the power c minus a plus 1 by 1 plus x to the power a minus b plus x to the power c minus b plus 1 by 1 plus x to the power b minus c plus x to the power a minus c is equal to 1 आपको प्रूव करना है. So this will be the homework. You have to solve like as above. Next question from exponents I have taken here. Here is the next question. Find the value of x if 5 to the power x minus 3 multiply 3 to the power 2x minus 8 is equal to 225. Let us see how can you solve this. कैसे solve करेंगे इसे देखिए. Here the question, 5 to the power x minus 3 multiply 3 to the power 2x minus 8 is equal to, ये 225 जो है इसका हम लोग प्राइम फैक्टर लिखेंगे जैसा कि मैंने यहाँ दिखाया है. 225 को 3 से डिवाइड करेंगे तो 75 टाइम्स लगेगा, फिर 3 को 75 से डिवाइड करना 25, 5 5 जा 25. सो 225 का जो फैक्टर बनेगा 3 मल्टीप्लाई 3 मल्टीप्लाई 5 मल्टीप्लाई 5 होगा. तो इसको मैंने इस तरह से लिखा है 5 मल्टीप्लाई 5 मल्टीप्लाई 3 मल्टीप्लाई 3. दिस 5 is double, so it will be written 5 to the power 2. Here the 3 into 3, this is also double, so this can be written 3 to the power 2. स्टूडेंट यहाँ पर क्या करना है कि किसी एक बेस को लेकर, यहाँ पर जैसे 5 टू द पावर x माइनस 3 और यहाँ 5 स्क्वायर है, ये दोनों बेस का हम लोग कंपेयर करेंगे. इसी तरह से आप इसके द्वारा भी अगर कंपेयर करके वैल्यू फाइंड करेंगे तो सेम ही आंसर आएगा. सो देयर विल बी नो एनी डिफरेंस. सो इन टू डिफरेंट बेसेस, here we will take any one base. I have taken here 5 to the power x minus 3 is equal to 5 square. So bases are same, we have already studied. If bases are same, power also will be equal. So therefore I have written here bases are same, so x minus 3 is equal to 2. This is the simple equation. So x is equal to 2 plus 3, therefore x equal to 5. Similarly, if you take these two bases 3 3 and if you want to find the value of x, then the result also will be 5. There will be no any different. In next page, once again I have taken another question. Here is the another question. Look at. But before it, today I am going to give some assignment for you like as previous question. Here the question, 5 to the power x minus 3 multiply 3 to the power 2x minus 3 is equal to 135. Second one is 2 to the power x minus 7 multiply 5 to the power x minus 4 is equal to 1250. ये दोनों क्वेश्चन को आपको सॉल्व करना है, जिसे मैंने अभी जस्ट पिछले वीडियो में दिखाया है. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन आई हैव टेकन विच इज डिफरेंट. इफ 4 to the power x minus 4 to the power x minus 1 is equal to 24, then find x. How can we do this. Look at here. स्टूडेंट, हम लोग जो एक्सपोनेंट्स रूल पढ़े हैं उसमें या तो हम लोग पढ़े थे कि मल्टीप्लाई साइन होता है या डिवाइड साइन होता है, लेकिन यहाँ माइनस साइन है. लुक एट हियर केयरफुली, माइनस साइन. सो हाउ कैन दिस क्वेश्चन विल बी सोल्व? लुक एट 4 to the power x minus 4 to the power x मल्टीप्लाई 4 to the power minus 1 इज इक्वल टू 24. मैंने क्या किया है, ये दो बेस में लिख दिया हूँ. 4 to the power x minus 1 को हम लोग ऐसे लिख सकते हैं 4 to the power x मल्टीप्लाई 4 to the power minus 1, बिकॉज हम लोग जानते हैं ये रूल है x to the power m मल्टीप्लाई x to the power माइनस n होगा. तो बेसेज आर सेम होने पर पावर क्या होता है, ऐड होता है. तो यहाँ पर माइनस के साइन के चलते क्या हो जाएगा, m माइनस n होगा. तो मैंने इसको इस फॉर्मेट में लिख दिया है. अब कोई डाउट नहीं होना चाहिए, देयर विल बी नो एनी डाउट. इन नेक्स्ट स्टेप लुक एट हियर. हियर आई हैव टेकन कॉमन 4 to the power x. 4 to the power x is here common, then it will be 1 minus 1 multiply 4 to the power minus 1. In place of 4 to the power x will be here 1, here also will be 1, and this will be as usual is equal to 24. Again 1 minus 1 into 1 by 4. 4 to the power minus x को इस तरह से लिख सकते हैं 1 by 4, बिकॉज हम लोग रूल पढ़ चुके हैं कि if x to the power minus m then it can be written 1 by x to the power m. पढ़ चुके हैं. सो इसलिए यहाँ हम लिख सकते हैं इसको 4 to the power minus 1 को 1 by 4. अगेन दिस विल बी 4 to the power x into 1 minus 1 by 4 is equal to 24. Again this imply 4 to the power x is equal to LCM 4 minus 1 by 4 is equal to 24. Again 4 to the power x multiply 4 minus 1 is equal to होगा 3, तो 3 by 4 is equal to 24. Again in 4 to the power x multiply 3 is equal to 24 into 4. क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई करने पर ये हो जाएगा 24 into 4. Now look at here in next step 4 to the power x is equal to 24 into 4 by 3. This 3 will be divided here. 3 head जा 3, so 3 head जा 24 multiply 4. This imply 4 to the power x is equal to 32. 8 4 जा 34. So this can be written now here 2 to the power 2 whole power x is equal to 2 to the power 5. 2 to the power 5 will be 32. 2 into x, 2 to the power 2x is equal to 2 to the power 5. Again look at here, bases are same, so once again power also will be equal. So this can be written 2x is equal to 5, 2x is equal to 5. Here look at 2x is equal to 5. Therefore x is equal to 5 by 2. 5 by 2. So this is the answer. Similar question is here. You have to do assignment. Once again 9 to the power x plus 2 minus 9 to the power x is equal to 240. Second question 25 to the power x minus 1 minus 5 to the power 2x minus 1 is equal to minus 100. Find x. And I hope that you will do all the homework as well as assignment which is being taught by me. Thank you. Have a nice day.